Alright, we about to do the Emmanuel Hudson and Philip. What is it? Ratchet.
What up? This your boy.
Yeah, that.
Emmanuel and Hudson. Follow me on Twitter at _coach and my little brother at.
I'm Emmanuel.
All right now. And today, this video is finna talk. I'm finna tell y'all about how ratchet girls.
Oh my God! Who let her come off the house like that? Jesus! Come on. OMG, what do she have on?
She rich!
Hot lace front is all wrong.
Cause she rich.
I'm about to take this type of picture.
She rich!
Got it. About to put this thing on Twitter.
She rich.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
Yeah, she rich.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
She rich!
Oh, I just want to punch her in her face.
She rich.
I can't stand her. Oh, she too fake.
She rich!
Girl, let me tell you what I got my messed up with. Oh, baby boy, and he came with a sister. Girl, yeah, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club and I made a water flop. Where's the? Had to look cute today. I bought a drink your boost today. Baby that just made bail, they came up to the day. It is cute today. Tried to pull that cake to today. Yesterday. Girl, did you get the glue today? Go on, boost it up. Move, track. 14, I got my full stamp. A brand new piercing, brand new tech. $95 from this weed plus tech. Been the thing over money, snake my thumb. Love everything that's can't along. Thinking that you better than everything than you think wrong. Boy, bye. My number. Boy, bye. Oh, Jude. Oh, here she comes. Hey, girl. Looking cute today. OMG, what does she have on?
She rich!
Her lace front is all wrong.
She rich.
Let me take this type of picture.
She rich!
Got it. About to put that ugly thing on Twitter.
No, you rich.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
You rich.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
Yeah, you rich.
Oh, I just want to punch her in her face.
She rich.
I can't stand her. Oh, she cute fight. My name is Anyola, but my favorite tell me call. You get tell me sorry. And them niggas, you can't have me boo-boo sorry. Hey, mom, got my toes cast on. Get ready, mess my press on. He dark skin. We don't like them red balls. Ting big bone, ting crazy brown. If this ting shut it up, then it's ting shut it down. Then it's ting take your butt, ting take your man. Money, then it's ting King Pan. Yeah, he might as well spend it all on me. My butt smell like fungus and everything. I look good, but your man still want me. I come up in the club, your man be like, ooh, girl, how you doing? I be like, boy, you know you want this H2O citrus. How? What does she have on?
She rich!
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she rich.
Give it a phone.
I didn't take this half of picture.
Because she rich.
Got it. About to put this thing on Twitter.
No, you rich.
I ain't got time for this. I'm so grown.
You rich.
Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on.
She rich.
Oh, I just want to punch her in her face. Can't stand her. Oh, she's so fat.
She rich.
Thinking she look good with the leopard
Thinking she look. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Them faces is not real. But we look at us, but yeah.